Air is one of the most important natural elements that supports all life forms on Earth. A fact also mentioned in ancient manuscripts that talk about air as one of the constituent elements of the human body. Nature has bestowed us with an abundance of air, available freely and in unlimited quantities. And this essential natural gift has been optimally exploited to advantage by industries, especially for transfer of heat. Air-cooled heat exchangers and air-cooled condensers are widely used for the cooling and condensing needs of processing plants and equipment. Today, GEI is a name to reckon with for heat transfer products, using air both as a cooling and heating medium. The company was established as General Engineering Industries in the year 1970 in the city of Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh in central India. GEI is today known as a specialist in heat transfer technology with an excellent track record in the oil, gas and power sectors. It has equipment installed in North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Australia and Africa. The registered office and factory in Bhopal is spread over 8 acres and employs 460 qualified professionals and skilled workers. GEI is accredited with the ISO 9001 certification for quality systems and holds the ASME U&R stamp for fabrication of medium and high pressure tube bundles for air-cooled heat exchangers. GEI's product range includes air-cooled vacuum steam condensers for thermal power plants and gas-based combined cycle power generating stations, air-cooled heat exchangers for hydrocarbon services in petroleum refining and petrochemical plants, air heaters for LNG terminals, process gas coolers and air-cooled composite radiators for compressed natural gas and compressed air, packaged water cooling systems, lubricating oil cooler and radiators for gas turbines and gas and diesel engines, oil coolers for power transformers, extruded aluminium bimetallic fin tubes, embedded and grooved aluminium fin tubes, wrap-on L-footed aluminium and copper fin tubes, overlapped LL aluminium and copper fin tubes, and also crimped copper soldered fins, wire-wound copper and stainless steel soldered fins, internal turbulators for enhancement of heat transfer in viscous fluids, as in oil coolers, aluminium louvers for air-cooled heat exchangers and condensers for process control and energy saving. GEI thermal engineers produce optimal thermal design solutions for challenging requirements like limited pipe rack width or restricted space available on offshore platforms. Thermal designs are made on world-renowned HTRI software, where various options are worked out to suit the client's plot area space, power requirements and capital cost. Sizing of headers in line with ASME pressure vessels and practices and design for the steel support structures, considering the dead loads, live loads, wind loads and seismic loads, are carried out on STARD software. The client's project specifications, the process licenser's guidelines and code requirements are incorporated in the design and engineering of the equipment. Mandatory and applicable codes such as API, ASTM, TEMA, ISO and BIS are also adhered to. A dynamic team of project executives works on different projects to ensure timely execution through an effective monitoring system. The group has a direct interface with clients and inspection agencies and is responsible for the successful execution of the project. The facilities available at the workshop in Bhopal make GEI one of the largest manufacturers of air-cooled heat exchangers and air-cooled condensers in India. GEI welders are qualified as per ASME standards and handle carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel, duplex and incolloy materials. The electrode baking room and electric ovens keep the welding electrode fully conditioned to minimize weld defects and achieve radiograph quality joints. Welding stresses are relieved in the heat treatment furnace available inside the welding shop and comply with the requirements of ASME U-stamp vessels. Fabricated headers and tube sheets of the air-cooled exchangers and condensers are finished at the machine shop, equipped with 7 drilling machines, a plano miller and lathe machines. The finning shop has the widest range of aluminium finning machines, which produce 10 kilometers of different configuration aluminium finned tubes every day. GEI has 2 extruded finning machines and 5 embedded finning machines, making it the largest producer of finned tubes in India. Extruded fins are produced at the rate of 4 kilometers per day. The GEI assembly shop is equipped to turn out about 1,000 large air cooler tube bundles per year. With ISO 9001 quality systems in place, compliance to contract specifications, drawings, codes and practices are ensured at all stages of the contract, right from the incoming raw materials, in process, to final assembly and testing. GEI has successfully executed important projects which show its capabilities. A few of these are glycol water heaters for an LNG regasification facility on the western coast of India for Petronet LNG Limited, process gas coolers and gas turbine coolers for a turbo compressor package for the offshore platform of the public sector oil and gas exploration company ONGC Limited, India. Air-cooled vacuum steam condensers for a 27 megawatt thermal power plant of JP Rewa Cement in the central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. Cooling water modules for a gas turbine, complete with pumps, piping, instrumentation and controls for Porto Velho power project at Brazil for an order from General Electric of USA. Air exchangers for a multi-stage CNG compressor, including water coolers for the engine driving the compressor for AGIP for Tunisia. GEI is managed by an experienced and qualified management who are experts in their own field under the dynamic leadership and vision of Chairman and Managing Director Mr. C.E. Fernandez. GEI is today a key player in the air-cooled heat exchanger and condenser business with a global presence and a wide spectrum of satisfied clients. GEI Industrial Systems, providing optimum energy systems and solutions.